Hi, my name is Dr. Lila Rajabion, and I'm the instructor for this course. I just wanted to first introduce myself and kind of explain to you about what this course is about. I have been working with USF Sarasota Manatee for past 3 years in the College of Business. I'm the information technology professor, and I teach courses such as web design, driven websites, database courses, and as well as other courses. I came from another university. I used to work in Penn State University, and before that I was actually working in the field as a IT project manager and business analyst. So this is just a brief introduction for me. I just want you this week to kind of introduce yourself, and this is a grading assignment, so please make sure that you complete that by Sunday next week, because I have to put the attendance in, so I will count that as your attendance. So please finish that first. So let's go through the syllabi first, and then after I'm going to show you what you need to do for this week. Okay, this is the syllabi. This can be found on Canvas, and I'm going to show you where. But I just wanted to mention a few things to you. I have office hours from 11 to 1 p.m. You can come to my office. We can meet face-to-face, or if you prefer online, I do a lot of online sessions with students using Google Hangout, using Blackboard Collaborate, any other source, is in Skype, anything that you are comfortable, you can let me know and we can just work that out. So this course is actually web design and development using HTML5. So probably, maybe some of you have some programming background, maybe some of you haven't. It's okay if you don't, but the requirement for this course is that you have the COP 3718, which is a database course, but some of you, maybe you haven't taken that course particularly here in Sarasota, maybe you have taken another database course, that's fine too. And also a basic programming course, which is COP 2250, but for some other people, maybe they have transferred it, it's another programming course that you can substitute. So let's look at some of the goals of this course. The goal of this course will include HTML5, and we will look at the tags, how to use them to create our drawings, and we are also going to work to build the web pages, and that also can work on mobile devices. So using HTML5 markup is to create interactive web content. So we will talk about the benefits of using HTML5 and how we can actually use it in incorporating audio and video elements into the website. Also, we can talk about the HTML5 with the form elements of it. And also we are going to look at the current state of the browser that support the HTML5. And finally, we will learn how to create HTML5 offline web application. So for this class, you can download and install Notepad++, and that is really good to use. So that's what I want you guys to do that. If you have any other editor that you're comfortable with, you can do that as well. After you complete this course, you will have a great overview of World Wide Web and what it can do. And you can write HTML codes, basically. You can use the images and color in the web pages. We will also talk about CSS, cascading a style sheet. You can create and format your tables and actually design the website that has form. So the textbook that we are going to use is New Perspective HTML5 and CSS. Is comprehensive 7th edition. This is the new version of it. And then I have some grading evaluation here. Participation is 5%. How I do the participation, I put discussion there. assignments 35%, quiz 10%, midterm 10%, final 15%, and project is 25%. And the total is 100%. I might just change the project to 20% and quiz to 15%. Because we might have more quizzes, so I might just change that, but I just have to that might just be changed because it depends to how the class goes. I might just give you 4 quizzes rather than having to have 2 quizzes, because sometimes people can learn better. But you will have definitely these items. The attendance policy, as we said, this is course offered online. So you are expected to read each week chapter, textbook, this section, the PowerPoint slide, and submit all your assignments and participate in the discussion. And there are 4 required discussion for your participation point that you need to do at the beginning, and you will see that as well. Submission of assignment, you need to complete an exercise, all your assignments that are due no later than 10 p.m. on the following Wednesday. I put that in, but I might change that as well, because I think Wednesday a lot of people say it's very quick, so I'm going to change that to Sunday. So you will see this on the calendar on Canvas. So this is going to be Sunday. And then you can actually submit your project. The project I will give you more, and it's going to be team project, so it's going to be a little bit more discussion that we are going to have, but I'm going to give you plenty of time in advance before giving you parts for the project, because the project I'm going to basically divide them into smaller parts. So these are basically USF system policies that you need to read this carefully. I'm not going to go through all of them, but this is available for you, and I require you to read that the first week of the classes. It's online. These are all USM, South Florida Manatee, and USF policies regarding any type of emergency disability accommodation. This is very important to make sure if you have any sort of disability, please contact the office and they will give me a letter or send it to you, and then you can send it to me and I will give you the accommodation that's required. So there are other things that you can see, the religious observances, fire alarms, and all of that. You can actually look at that yourself more carefully. And also we will have academic support center. This is very important. They normally have tutors there, so please let me know if you need help for your assignments. Ask the tutor. If I see that you know, a lot of people have problems, I might actually get one of the tutors to know completely HTML, but mostly the academic support center will be able to help you. Okay, so this is basically week by week. We are going to follow the book. We're actually going to follow the book week by week. So you can actually, it's better if you follow the calendar, but this is kind of a schedule that can be changed a little bit. But if you follow the calendar on Canvas, that is the more accurate one. But we have the week to week here as well. Oh, I think I made one mistake here. Sorry about that. I think I have just made a mistake here. I used to teach this course in the spring. Now I teach it in the fall, and I forgot that we don't have a spring break. Okay, so this is the 16 weeks that I have here. You can look at that one as well. So let's go back and look at our week 1. So as you can see here, what you are going to do when you click on the course, you will actually going to see, I put this as the first page or the home page. So you will see something that's called week. Normally I do, and it's under the week 1. So I only have this published. I don't have the other ones published yet, but I will put it, normally I will put the material on Fridays. If not, the latest would be Saturday. So you will have time. So by Saturday, I will have the material on. I might have part of it on Friday, but then if I have to do some more recording and things like that, I will put it Saturday. So you will have everything that's due. So let's click on week 1 here, and you will see that in week 1 we will have this. So first, read the course syllabus. I'm going to actually explain it here, so you don't have to worry about it. This is updated one with the new attendance policy. So you can click this one and it will open it. I even provide you a link here, so you don't have to go here and click on syllabi. And then post your introduction. So this is under basically discussion. So you can click here and post your discussion. So I actually created like as a web page, since this is a web page class. So the first, and then there is a tutorial. The first section of tutorial will give you an idea how to create the structure of a website. Please read the PowerPoint slide to understand this. So this is the PowerPoint for tutorial 1. And then this is your first exercise. This exercise is very basic, but I just want everybody to kind of get into it and read it. And then we will have more complex exercises later. And this is due on Sunday before 3:30. I might change that. No, actually, that's why I put it on 3:30. Normally, it's due by 11. But I did this because I need to submit the attendance. So that's why I put it at 3:30 so people can do it quickly. So basically, this is the week 1. That's what you are going to do. So the PowerPoint presentation, you can click here and you can open it, as you can see. And it will open up. And it is going to give you step-by-step instruction. And you can follow your book. Normally, if there is something important, or if there is a little bit, if it's something a little bit difficult, I will explain that. So for this week, I'm not going to create a video because it's very simple, and you don't have to worry. You can just follow this and you shouldn't have any problem. But from second week, I'm not going to go slide by slide, because if I do that, you're probably going to listen to 3-4 hours of video. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to point you the important parts of it. I will explain to you parts that are very important, and I will create short videos of 10-15 minutes for each section. So you don't have to listen to 3 hours lectures. So this is how the format will go. And please feel free to contact me if you need any help. I'm here by email. Normally I have the email on my phone, so I can reply to you immediately. If there is an assignment that I have to look at and see if you did it right or wrong, maybe I cannot do it immediately, I might get back to you in 24 hours, but I will get back to you in 24 hours. But normally if it's small problems that you have, I will get back to you right away within, like, I don't know, 1 hour or something. So please feel free to contact me via email or on Canvas, or you can basically call me, and I'm here to help you. Well, this is the first introduction for this course, and hopefully we will be in touch more. And please let me know if you have any other question regarding this exercise for first week, or any other problems. Take care. Have a good day. Bye-bye.